Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cause Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone here in sunny Fort Myers, Florida. I'm excited today. I am the guest artist for the 1,000 Below for their May challenge. And the funnest thing about that is most of the people participating are my patrons who they know I love with all of my heart. They're a hungry group of talented people. The other good thing about this challenge is that this girl gets to pick what they do. And I have just really started to embrace my Gelli plate and doing collage work and whatnot. So I said to them, are you guys up for doing a collage? And they were like, we are all in. So lovely group of people who have just below 1,000 followers, and we're hoping to kick that up a notch. We're hoping to get them above 1,000, and then they graduate to another group. So I'm very grateful to be part of that and their learning experience. So let's talk about what it is that they are required to do. Paints, they all had to use the same paints, and I got to pick them. They are a beautiful Wedgwood blue from Daller and Rodney. It's available at Michael's. It's just a lovely soft shade. They are allowed to use any Naples yellow. I use the Artist Loft brand. And they could also use some white and mix up these colors together to create other colors, which is fun. So those are the three colors that they were all required to use. They could use any substrate. They could do a canvas. They could do mixed media paper. Whatever they wanted to use was fine with me, but they had to use only their homemade papers. They couldn't use store-bought papers, so they had to create all their papers on the Gelli plate, and they had to use some stencils, preferably with circles. So everybody using the same paint, everybody using stencils with some circles on it, and they also had to use only homemade stamps or rollers. Now, I had done a video previously on YouTube and for my patrons showing them how to make their own homemade stamps and rollers and things of that sort. So I'm excited, guys. I'm really excited. I made a piece that I'm very proud of. The beginning of this video, you're going to see a little bit of me making some of my papers, but then I move directly on to the collage. So you get a little piece of everything. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining us. Thank you, 1,000 and Below peeps, for inviting me to be your challenge for the month of May. I am honored. Let's get to it, guys. Let's get busy.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. So lucky, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. So hold me tight through the night.
papers and my textures and whatnot, I take a few minutes and I remove a lot of the big white edges around them. Excuse me, it helps me to see what's on the paper a little bit better. And I divide things up in colors, different hues, which is important when you're doing a collage. I have a pile right here, which is my white pile. A lot of this is done on textured paper, or I scrunched up some tissue paper and then applied some paint with a brush. This is kind of fun. This is just a stencil with white molding paste put on tissue paper. And once you apply it to your canvas, the tissue paper disappears. So it just looks like little white dots. Now you can do that directly on your canvas or your substrate with a stencil, but this gives you a little bit more control cutting it out of exactly how you want that to look. I save all of my roll-off sheets because it's done on a heavier stock paper. I can use my hole puncher to punch out shapes and whatnot on this. And we've got all the colors that are in our theme today. Then I have just kind of some mixed papers of the blues and the yellows. I do equal amount tissue papers, equal amount rice papers, so that I can apply the tissue paper, which is transparent, on top of a rice paper, which is more opaque, and it shows what's underneath it, which is fun. And then we've got our lighter blues. We have our yellows. We have a bit of our darker blues and some of the themes. These are leaf prints that I did on the jelly plate, leaves from my yard. And then we have some mixed papers with the yellows and blues, which also created a nice soft green. So that's the first thing I do. And then I cut them into pieces and shapes. I place them on my substrate. I eyeball them, and then I glue. And then I eyeball some more, and then I glue some more. And if I don't like something, I cover it up with another paper. So that's what you're going to see me do next. I'm going to fast forward it because I can spend hours and sometimes days doing this. So if you have any questions whatsoever, guys, just put them in the description box and I'll make sure that I answer you. Or email me, cozcreationsart@gmail.com. Let's get busy again.
You're